Some easy candy yams, sweet potatoes, whatever you want to call them, kind of southern style. I have a 3 pound bag of them here. You're going to peel them, you're going to cut them into small pieces, and then I'm taking and putting a stick of butter and about one third of a stick of butter. You can use a little more, a little less, whatever. Light sugar, light brown sugar, dark brown sugar, and then regular sugar. I'm just putting a cup of each in. You can use less sugar if you don't like that much sugar. I do like mine sweet, so I do add a lot of sugar to mine. But like I said, you don't have to put that much sugar if you don't like that much sugar in yours. Once I get those in there, and then I'll just add a few more flavors just to give it, that taste. So we have nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, and we're going to be adding equal parts to those. So about a tablespoon and a half of it. I'm just eyeballing it really. But we're going to add equal parts of those to it. And then you could put a little pinch of salt in there because, salt is good and you like the flavor. And then I'm just going to melt those down, mix it up, get all the lumps and bumps out of it so the sauce is at a nice consistency. You don't want to overcook it or anything like that. Then I'm adding the sauce to the pan with the sweet potatoes or yams or whatever you want to call them. My pan is too big. Don't use a pan this big, but you want to disperse it evenly and then cover it. I baked it in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes. And then this is how they came out. They were nice and tender. My daughter likes marshmallows, so I did put marshmallows on the top and let it bake for just until those melted, so a few more minutes. And they are great. They are easy, so simple.